There are over 300 billion birds in the world. That's 75 birds for every person. Mom said the avian flu was already one of the world's deadliest viruses. In the third wave, the others modified it, made it unstoppable, and the birds spread it across the planet.
Straight on back.
Hey, Liz!
Hey.
Your mom said you were here.
Cassie! Cassie!
Mom?
What are you... She's quarantined.
Oh, it's okay. I didn't touch
It's
her.
not okay. You can't be here.
I'm sorry.
Sweetheart, I need you to go home and look after Sammy, okay?
Mom, I want to help you here.
I know.
I want to help.
Can you get her out of here now?
Mom.
No, it's okay. Just go.
Let's go.
Some people were immune to the virus. And a few people got sick and somehow recovered. But most people didn't.